As I'm a speaker, a motivational speaker, and an author, I get a lot of messages from you guys. I get a lot of DMs all over the social media asking me all your doubts, all your queries. 10% of them are the appreciations, but 90% are the self doubts, self queries, topic related to relationship, career, parents, and many other self doubt which is hurling inside your mind. And with time, I tend to realize that I can give solution to each and every person out there in a very different way, in a very better way. And with all these years of experience in talking to you guys and understanding your own mindset, I came up with an idea. And this is called Negativity Biscuit. Or to be precise, this guy, Oreo. An Oreo biscuit, right? So this concept of negativity biscuit can help you out in any given scenario with any person out there, be it your family, girlfriend, boyfriend, colleague, best friend, any person out there in any given situation. This will help you out. And I will let you know how you can inculcate this habit in your life so that you can have a better relationship towards that person that you want to truly help. Whenever that you need to tell a person something about their lifestyle, a very negative lifestyle, then you can use this concept of negativity biscuit. Like any biscuit, the first layer, it should be of positivity. You're going to tell the positive traits about that person. The middle layer, the white one, comprises of the negativity. That these are the traits that you need to change no matter what. And then end the discussion, end this topic by again the layer of biscuit about positivity. That this is something that you truly comprises of, and I have a belief in yourself that yes, you can transform your life, you can change your life. The first layer is you need to tell positive traits. The second layer, the negative, the main important force that you want to implement in that person's life. And the third layer, straight away of positivity again. So what are the benefits of this theory? Number one thing is that this theory help you in reducing this bad feelings towards this negative statement. It's like you're not only just talking about the negativity of that person, you're emphasizing towards positivity, then negativity, and then again positivity. So it don't have any negative impact towards that person. Number two is it prevents people from taking your advice personally. They won't be personal with you because they will understand that you're also talking about their positivity, that what they can change, they can interchange their lifestyle from negativity towards positivity. Number three, and probably the most important one, is that it helps you out to tell them about their problem, a negative problem, without damaging your own relationship with that person, right? So let me give you an example so that you can understand it perfectly. Like few years back, I was in a company where I was working with a sales team, and there was a one guy, let's name it Mr. A. So Mr. A used to come always late. He was always late in the office, he was always late for the meeting. But that guy was amazing. He was a brilliant salesperson. He used to pitch sales and get lot of revenue for that company. But I tend to realize one thing, that because of his attitude, rest of the employees are getting hampered. They have a mindset that I was not saying anything to that person, so they can also come late. And I need to change that straight away, right? So I called that person, Mr. A, one-on-one, and I told him the same thing in the same concept. Negativity biscuit. I told him, you are probably one of the best salesperson of this company, and I adore you for that. I can see that you have a very bright future. I can see that in the coming years, you can actually transform your career. But this negative attitude towards this company is not acceptable. Every time you are coming late, in every meeting you're always late. And if you're going to continue with this lethargic attitude, then I have to let you go. Though I don't want to, because I can see a bright potential. I know that your promotion is due next year, and my recommendation can actually give you that promotion. I see a bright future, so don't let it go. Understand the concept. First the positivity about that person, then the main problem, and then again positivity. And after that, from the next day, he was never late. He understood my concept. He understood what I was trying to implement in his mind. And it worked brilliantly. Let me give you another example so that you can understand it perfectly. There was my friend, let's call it Mr. X. He was a chain smoker. Every day he used to smoke like 2 packs of cigarette. Though he was my best friend and I don't want to churn my relationship with that guy, So I told him, I asked him, you are probably one of the most smartest person that I know. You have this amazing life. Your career is booming and I can see in the coming years you can transform your entire life. But smoking cigarette regularly will gonna hamper your life no matter what, because it's gonna hamper your health. It's gonna hamper your relationship with your wife. I can see that you already have dark circles. And if you're gonna continue smoking cigarettes on a regular basis, then believe me, you cannot be successful, because this health issue will gonna come between your life, your career, as well as in your relationship. I see you at the top. You are probably the most smartest person that I know. You are the person that I can see that set an example for the young generation out there. And I can see that you can transform your life. Understand what I'm trying to say? Positivity, negativity, and again positivity. And after listening to my advice, it took him little time, but he quit. So why this concept always work? The reason that I want you to understand is that people generally concentrate on the first thing that you say and the last thing that you say. And that both things are positive. And I'm impacting their mind by telling them the positivity about them. Yes, there is a negativity, but the positivity is crushing the negativity. They have a sense of realization now that yes, I have these positive traits, and this negative one is actually impacting my life. So I need to crush it, I need to change that, I need to remove that negativity from my life no matter what. And this concepts work every time. So I want you to indulge this concept in your life, that in any given situation, any given scenario, with any person out there that you want to confront, that you want to intervene about their negativity, start with positivity, then negativity, and then again positivity. This will help you out in giving them the right direction, as well as they will have a respect towards you. So I hope you understand this concept, and I hope you're going to implement this thing in your life so that you can transform yourself as well as the people around you. So do let me know in the comment section what you feel, and do also follow me all over the social media. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the perfect time to hit like, do hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Before going and watch this next video, this will also help you out in transforming your own life. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Till then, I'll see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.